Shogun-Jimi's been going on forums and talking smack again. He even got the Woodworking Junkie, not the real junkie, to get in on the action. I'm telling you, they can't let it rest. I'm sick of it. The guy's crazy. So let's go butcher his video.
In today's video, I'm going to be making a mallet.
He's gonna make a mallet.
So I'm now off just by a touch. I think it's going to be a fairly tight fit. I'm going to shape the head a little bit. Nice and snug. And the rest of the work that I'll be doing will just be sanding it. If the spoke shave is my favorite hand tool, this would have to be my favorite power tool in the shop, right now at least. Quit my yakking and let's get to work. Glue. So here's the completed mallet, mallet 102. I had a lot of fun making this, learned a few things along the way. But earlier I alluded to the idea that I already had experience making a mallet. And here she is.
Visit Shogun-Jimi here on YouTube. Awesome channel. Also check out the Woodworking Junkie.